Bitcoin remains bullish in September 2024 for several key reasons. First, supply constraints. The supply of Bitcoin on exchanges has decreased significantly, indicating that more investors are holding their Bitcoin instead of selling. This reduces sell pressure and can drive prices higher if demand remains stable or increases. Second, institutional interest in ETFs. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, particularly in the United States, have seen consistent inflows from institutional investors. These ETFs make it easier for large investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, contributing to sustained demand. Third, whale accumulation. Large Bitcoin holders, often called whales, have been increasing their holdings, particularly during market dips. This signals confidence among influential market participants in Bitcoin's future price increases. Fourth, technical factors. Bitcoin is currently trading within a bullish flag pattern, a technical signal that suggests a continuation of upward momentum. Some analysts predict that Bitcoin could reach as high as $68,000 by the end of September. Fifth, macroeconomic factors. A potential United States Federal Reserve interest rate cut in mid-September could boost Bitcoin and other risk assets. Lower rates often make speculative investments more attractive, fueling demand for Bitcoin. These factors together create a positive environment for Bitcoin despite recent price volatility.